Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the OXO Tub Stopper Aqua. It fits over the drain perfectly, and once there is water in the tub it stays put. This stopper is large enough not to get misplaced, has a suction cup to stick on the shower wall, and is a pretty color, on top of the fact that it stops all the water from draining. It's so flat, and has a little suction cup to keep it on the tub. Wide enough to cover an area around the drain hole, flexible so it stays securely even where the bottom of the tub curves upward a little closer to the drain hole as you might have a problem with. Even if you like me enjoy watching a full movie while enjoying a bath bomb, you won't lose a drop of water. Tiny suction cup on the side makes it easy to take off, and lets you store it on the shower wall. This does mean that you have to have a flat drain with no hardware, or extra pieces sticking out of it. This is probably not the solution you're looking for anyway if you have a tub sans drain plug entirely. The suction cup is sort of puny, don't expect it to stay stuck to a vertical surface for long. Not sure what the little suction cup thingy is supposed to do. It does not suction well to anything, but as far as the main function of drain stopping goes, this thing works great. The metal part in the middle is heavy enough to weigh it down, and it makes a nice vacuum seal. The flexible silicone stops the tub water very well, and the suction cup holds the stopper in place without any issue. You can take a pretty long bath without seeing a major difference in water level. Even though the built-in stopper sticks up a bit, this one closed on the drain completely. However, it does what it is supposed to do, has a low price, and if you're looking for a cheap stopper, this is for you. It is handy, and has a suction cup on the end so that it does not slide off of the drain. Simply remove the cup and the stopper off in order to let the water out of the tub. Other products would leak a little at a time, and by morning be completely empty. It won't stop properly if carries a food catcher to keep crumbs and whatnot out of the disposal underneath it. It's worth the few extra bucks you would spend on an otherwise cheaply made drain stopper. Also, it has a nice suction cup that makes it easy to attach to the side of the tub. If you need a great drain stopper though, this need not be a deal breaker though. Wet soak them in bleach, get them clean again, and they'd last a week or two. It is a good tool for the job of stopping the flow of water in a basin. You need a little water in the tub so that you can suction the pointed end to the tub to hold in place. This is simply held down by the weight of the water and suction of the drain. The suction on this thing is strong enough that it sticks even with the water pouring directly onto it from the faucet. This stopper sits on top of the drain and seals the leak perfectly, even though looking at it you wouldn't think so. This little guy easily sucks on, and you do not lose an inch of water. But alas, the physics of water and suction prevail, and this little gem works wonderfully. Teeny suction cup on the tap lets you attach the stopper to the side of the tub to store it until you need it, keeping the water in. There is also a handy little suction cup on the back. This is great, it holds tight, and has a little suction cup to hold it to the tub. The suction cup holds while on the shower floor, the water keeps it down, but the suction cup doesn't work for storage, it always falls off the tile or the glass shower door. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.